Number 205. Alonzo walks from his house to his office at a rate of 6 kilometers per hour. If it takes him 20 minutes for his trip, how far is it from his house to his office? Okay, so pause the video and try to answer. The choices are 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometers, 2 kilometers, 2.5 kilometers, and 3 kilometers. Okay? So the question is about distance, rate, and time problem. So what is the formula for distance? So the formula for distance is rate times time. Okay? So the question for this problem, how far is it from his house to office? So we're just looking for the distance. Okay, so what are the given? Alonso walks from his house to his office at a rate of 6 kilometers per hour. So that is our rate. 6 kilometers per hour. So that is the rate. R is equal to 6 kilometers per hour, kph. If it takes him 20 minutes, 20 minutes for his trip, so the time is equal to 20, 20 minutes. How far is it from his house to his office? So just use the formula, distance is equal to rate times time. Okay? So distance is equal to rate. The value of rate is 6 kilometer per hour. And then multiply by the time, 20 minutes. Okay? So to solve this, we need to convert 20 minutes to hour because it should be same unit of hour. So just convert. So what is the conversion for minutes to hour? So we have 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay? So convert 20 minutes. Or we can also convert this hour to 2 minutes. So therefore, we have D is equal to 6 kilometer. Instead of writing hour, so we just write 60 minutes. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and then multiply by 20 minutes. So minutes will cancel out and then multiply this, or we can reduce this to lowest term, 20 divided by 60. So divide both by 20. 20 divided by 20 is 1. 60 divided by 20 is 3. And then we have left with 6 and 1. So the 6 times 1. So we have 6 over the denominator 3. And then we have unit of kilometer. So therefore, the final answer distance is equal to 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2 kilometers. So the correct answer is letter C, 2 kilometers. Follow me for more content like this. Sa mga nagre-review para sa civil service exam, pwede po kayong mag-join sa aking review. Meron po tayong review para sa Math and Logic via Zoom for only 50 pesos. So ano yung mga kasama dyan sa 50 pesos? Meron tayong 10 sessions, February 10 to 19, 2025, 7 p.m. onwards. So more or less mga 2 hours po yung bawat session natin. 10 sessions po yan, 10 to 19, 7 p.m. Okay, so meron tayong GC at exclusive FB group. Meron tayong Google Forms practice test. Sessions are recorded para kapag hindi kayo naka-attend, mapapanood nyo pa, i-upload ko po yan sa exclusive FB group natin. Okay, so ang session natin, Math and Logic lang, pero but we'll share reviewer on other subjects. So yung mga reviewer natin sa ibang subjects, i-upload ko po yan sa ating FB group. Yan po yung mga nasa Google Forms na practice test. So ito po yung mga example. Ito po yung mga example na Google Forms natin sa ibang subjects. So verbal ability, medyo marami na. May 13 na ako dyan. Numerical reasoning, Gen Info, Filipino, and then madadagdagan pa po yan. Okay, so bago mag-February 10 ay marami pa pong madadagdag dito ng mga Google Forms. At meron din akong mga reviewer yung kumpleto. So meron akong at least 2 sets mag-a-upload ako dito ng Google Form na kumpleto, 100 plus items yon yung kumpleto. Okay, so ano pang inaantay nyo? I-DM nyo na po ako sa aking messenger RJ Enseñado. Okay, so para malinaw po ha, ang 50 pesos po ay para sa 10 sessions na. So i-divide nyo sa 10, lumalabas 5 pesos lang per session. Okay, so PM nyo lang po ako para maka-join kayo.